So it's day number 6.
Yep.
It's coming to an end.
We still have a day.
But still 2 days, technically.
Yeah.
Technically 2 days. Yesterday I got like one of the worst headaches I've had in a while. So we just took it easy after dinner. And we went back to Wonderland. And it was great. There's nothing wrong with the Wonderlands. In Mexico we got some Mexican Doritos that were not bad at all. We got Diablo Doritos, which I like a lot. And then there's one that Christy wanted to try. And it was jalapeno ruffles. So we'll try that another time. But we're gonna go to the pool now. Enjoy the pool a little bit. We have a few shows today, right?
We have one
We have Flight
at 10:45.
10:45. And we're gonna have dinner at
The main dining room.
the main dining room. Yeah, so you could get lobster. And we're gonna eat Mexican for lunch. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna enjoy the hell out today and tomorrow. Because on Saturday and Sunday we go to Disney.
Yay.
Hey.
And then on Monday we start our diet. Yay.
Yeah, and go back to work. Catching some rays.
It's cold, so I need the sun.
And the water is -4 degrees.
Oh,
I jumped in it.
that was your fault.
It was an instant regret.
I sat on the side and then no.
Was not going.
No way. This is too cold.
Get the water out of my face. Yeah. Feels like it. No barricades to stop people. Look at them, Mom. We just saw some dolphins. A happy greeting. How are you feeling?
I'm glad it came out.
Yeah. We got to
Third
see some
time.
dolphins. We got one more sunset on the balcony.
Tomorrow.
Happy Kiki. So we have our own table. With a fancy night. Beautiful wife.
Decent looking husband.
Really nice view. Down. The Virgin Colada. Greased. We got our birthday cake. The Happy Creepy. Get back to the room. We see this. He's wearing my glasses, that bun. Man. Yeah. So what a day. We ate the Mexican foods for lunch. We ate lobster tail for dinner.
What did we eat for breakfast?
For breakfast. What did we have for freaking breakfast again? We went to the main dining room for breakfast.
There you go.
So that was pretty good. We saw the 2.0 ice skate show. We liked it. It's pretty good. And we got made up and took some pictures. So we'll see how they turn out tomorrow. But man, we're so full. We changed, got comfy. We're gonna go see another show. It's called Flight.
Or a Flight of Dream.
Flight, something
Something.
along them lines.
I don't know, man. We're super full and
Yeah.
I can't stop eating the.
I feel like I've gained like 20 pounds.
That's what happened last year.
Yeah.
Let's not repeat that.
A lot of work when we come back.
A lot.
So, we'll catch you